Alright, kids? Para ma-experience po ang bawat isa. Ayan, very good. Everybody, I'm signboard. Bayanin po natin si Lala Chan, kids. Alright. Very good. Alright, kids? Dami po natin yung hands natin. Alright? Okay. Hi, everyone! And alright, bago po tayo mag-start, syempre gusto ko po ipakilala sa inyo ang aming event team. I am Ate Mel, your host for today, together with my partners, Ate May and Ate Den. And of course, kids, we have a special guest all the way from Japan. The bubbly, the very cute, big square, Lala Chan! Yes, mataas na energy din ng ating mga kids. Okay, kids? Ayan na sinasabi si Lala Chan. She loves to dance na po. Kaya tanong ni Lala Chan, sino na po dito marunong mag-dance? Ayan, very good. Hands na marunong mag-dance. Yes, she loves to dance na po. Sing kayo ni Lala Chan. Alright, kids, tutulungan po tayo ni Lala Chan sa ating mga steps. Okay, Lala Chan, unang step. Wash our head na po. And then, our shoulder. Alright, wash our head, our shoulder, very good. Next, Lala Chan, our tummy and bottom. Tummy and bottom, very good. Alright, kids, are you excited to dance? Lala Chan, are you excited to dance? Yes, yes, yes. Alright, music please. Everybody march. Very good, Hunter. Good job. Alright, wash your head, shoulder, head and shoulder. Tummy, bottom, tummy and bottom. Okay, so your hands up. Down, up and down. Shake your hands up, down, up and down. Alright, everybody march. Very good. One more time. Head, shoulder, head and shoulder. Tummy, bottom, tummy and bottom. Okay. Down, up and down. Shake your hands up, down, up and down. Alright. Okay, let's go. Yeah, very good. Alright. Ang ganda rin ng ating kids area. Alright, kids. Tingnan mo natin tayo dito. Roll your hands up. And then roll your hands down. And everybody sit down. Yes, good job. Nakikinig yung ating kids. Alright. Kids, may tanong po ako. Sino po dito nakakalam na stop, look, and listen? Ayan, halos lahat. Alam ko. Okay, kids, stop na po tayo sa ating ginagawa. And then, look, tingin lang po tayo dito sa may harap. Alright, and then, listen. Nakikinig po muna tayo dito. Napakita po nila Ate Den and Ate May kung paano po siya laruin. Kaya, listen mo na kids ha, and then all eyes here. Okay. Alright, Ate Den and Ate May, are you ready? Yes, ready na sila. In a count of 3, 2, 1. Hila, tsaka lang po tayo hila kids ha. Magbibilang po ako ng 15 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. At ang marker na punta po kay Ate May, meaning po kids, meron na po siyang 1 point. Para po manalo sa ating game, kailangan lang po natin ng 2 points. Alright kids, excited na ba kayo sa ating game?
Last one. Maybe ako kuha ka namin balon. Lipat na. Baka nila Okay na lahat? Kompleto na? O sa mga tapos na, dyan lang muna tayo. Wait natin sila kasi mag-group picture pa tayo lahat.
Gawan mo kay Juno. Okay na yan. Gawa nila. Wala naman sa mga pagkikit. Wala. Wala. Ay! Wala. Ano lang sa'yo? Hawak ko na lang.
Tapos na lahat. Okay, tutaan namin kayo ha. First step, wash your head. Next step, wash your shoulder. And wash your tummy. Wash your bottom next. So you're up, hands up, and down. And
Yellow.
finger on down and super arms down. Okay, nakawat. Ito tayo yun ha. Para sabihin niyo lang kami. Okay. Okay, music. March muna, March. Ulit. Okay, very good. Simple mo na. Okay.